Yeah, for $23, please quit playing with me. I'm finna be stunting on these. Period. Hello everyone and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a review on this new wig unit that I have. I'm also going to be showing you all how I customize it and make it look more natural to my liking because it is a synthetic wig. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, just stay tuned. Ooh la la. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. This is the wig that I'm going to be trying on. It is the FreeTress Equal Valentino. I got her in the color FFHOTCHOCO. It says curling iron safe up to 400 degrees, and it does have a 5-inch lace part. So we're going to take it out and see what it looks like. Now honestly, y'all, I already took this out the bag because I was being impatient and I wanted to see what the wig looked like. And when I took it out, I was like, bro, that's not the wig that I ordered. I know I'm not tripping. This is not the color. So I FaceTimed my sister because she has the same wig. And I was like, my sister was like, I think that's the right one. I was like, no, I don't think this is the right wig. Like online, it looks brighter. Like the blonde and stuff looks brighter. And I even compared it to like this little tag thing. And I was like, this is not the wig that I ordered. Like, so I ended up emailing them. And I was like, I think y'all made a mistake. Like all the tags say FFHOTCHOCO, but I don't think this is my wig. So I look at the return policy and all this stuff. You may have to pay for shipping. You may have to pay for a restocking fee and all the other stuff. And I don't have time for that. So I was just like, I'm going to keep the wig. But I do think it's my right wig though. I think the color is just a little bit brighter online to me. Yeah, but I got it from Sam's Beauty and it was $23.99. So not bad. Yeah, we're going to take her out. This is what it looks like. The blonde honey is giving me. I'm so excited. I honestly wish the ash blonde was a little bit brighter because I'm trying to be out here like Beyonce. Do y'all hear me? I want to be like Beyonce. I do have some tweezers and some concealer and some powder nearby because with these wigs, like, yes, it's lace, but you don't want to just take this out the package and put it on your head because that's not cute. You need to do some type of customizing to it so that it looks natural. Like synthetic wigs, lace wigs, any wig that you get, you can't just buy it and plop it on your head because that ain't cute. You want it to look a little as natural as possible. You don't want it to look like you just put that mug on your head. They call these things shake and go, but you can't shake and go. You gotta shake, do a little customizing, and then go. Don't just shake and go, because that ain't cute. Anyway, so this is this is what the wig looks like. It's just a basic standard wig construction. It has the 2 combs in the front. It has a comb in the back. It has a little adjustable band in the back. So if you have a big head like me, you know, you can make it a little bit bigger. Or if you have a smaller head, you can tighten it up if it's too loose for you. This is what the lace looks like. Let me see if I can show y'all my hand. So this is what the lace looks like. So as you can see, the part is pretty decent. I really love this ombre. Like, it's just so far. Like, ooh, girl, yes, get into it, honey, get into it. So another thing about this wig is that they do give you the option for some little baby hairs. Now I am going to try these baby hairs out, but if they don't work out or they don't look cute to me, I'll just leave out some of my own edges and go like that. Okay, so we're gonna put her on. Don't judge me. Ooh, my head big, y'all. So, I look. Ooh, girl. I put on a wig cap because I do use combs, the combs in it, and I don't want it. Don't look at me. I look. Anyway, I put the. Ooh, girl. We just gonna put this wig on. When I took it out the first time, ooh. Girl, I look like my mama. Ooh, child. So this is what it looks like out the back. As y'all can see, this is not cute. You don't walk around looking like that, because that ain't it. Child, that is not it. And this wig is hot. We gonna fix this part, because that ain't cute. I'm about to do my own edges, because I don't think I'm gonna like these baby hairs. Like they just not it. So I'm gonna this would be cute. Yes, honey. Where we going? Ooh, take me out. Where we going? Show me y'all. Just gonna comb it. So far with this hair, there's not much shedding. I'm gonna tell y'all about the hair while I'm waiting on the front to lay down. I do that just so that it's nice and flat in the front. I don't want it to be sticking up or anything like that. So the hair is not really shedding that much. So that's good. I really like the length. It's not too long, but it's giving me like, yes, beach vibes, honey. Yes, it's not really that tangled, but it is a synthetic wig, so it will probably tangle over time. This is like my third wig, and the other two synthetic ones I have, they both have tangled before. This color is popping. Let me tell you, this color is giving me life. Okay, another thing is, you really don't know how to customize a part, or you don't like the way the part looks, you can always throw a scarf on or throw a headband on something and walk around like. I also like how this hair, it isn't really shiny at all. Like, it looks really natural. So, oh, cute. Cute. Let me show y'all how long it is. This is what it looked like in the back. So look, it does have, at least for me, it does have enough length. I'm finna be stunting on these. Period. So we can take this off. See, you just want to make sure that it's flat, that it lays flat. I'm gonna take this. Just comb it down. So I'm still playing around with this wig, trying to make it to where it fits to my liking. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, I done tightened it to like the fourth thing in the back, and it's still kind of big. Okay. So also the position of the combs are really weird. I noticed they're like right here instead of like over here. The combs were over here because I feel like I need a bobby pin. But I feel like I might style it like this. I think that's cute. For more of a natural look, if you want more of your edges to show, you know, you kind of just manipulate it to however you want it to be. And then you could leave this side out, or you could push this back too. I redid my edges and they came back up. Also, for more flatness, when you do your edges, you could just tie the scarf on top of it, but I don't want too much edge control in my hair in it. Just like that. And there you have it, ladies and gents. So natural looking. If you know, do your edges up and stuff like that. I always forget these sideburn edges. Let me put some edge control on those and push them back. Right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, for $23, please quit playing with me. Put some respect on my name, okay? Quit playing this blonde. I look like Janice. I ain't telling her whole name, but I look like my mother, okay? I look like my mother. But this is really cute, and you honestly do not have to do much with this wig. You put a little bit of concealer on the middle part. If you really want to, you can get a flat iron to make this lay flat. Make sure that this wig is as tight as possible because, like I said, it is big. I had to tighten mine, and I have a big head. So if it's not tightened, it's going to be like bulky and bumpy up here, and you don't want that. You want it to lay flat as possible so it can look as natural as possible. Yeah, you can optional, if you don't want to leave any edges out, you can use the baby hairs that they have, or you can just go. But I prefer having baby hairs because I think it does make it look a little bit more natural. Okay, and then to make the curls come all together, you just use a wide tooth comb and you scoop them the way you want them to be. Okay? Okay. I'm trying to see if I forgot anything. No, I just wanted to show you all the wig. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. New hair, who it is?